Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, puppy dogs. So we pretty much left the apartment last night, like, really messy. Like, we didn't pick up. We were just kind of relaxing and chilling out. Michael fell asleep on the couch, and then we went to bed. So, we're cleaning now. We're picking up now. Yeah. We kind of woke up and we looked around and we were like, tornado. So, we're doing that, and then I have to leave for work here soon. So, yeah. It's, this is our morning so far. Baby girl is still asleep. And, yeah. Hi. How are you guys doing today? How are you doing today?
What's going on, guys? So, we're just, turn that down a little bit. We just got through watching Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. And it's looking like stormy outside. Well, not really stormy, but it's cloudy. So it's supposed to have some severe thunderstorms this afternoon.
It's recording. I don't know if you can hear me or not. It's really windy out here. Toby's going to the bathroom. And I just woke up from a nap with Mallein. Mallein is actually still asleep. I was just napping with her. You can never get enough nap time in when you have a baby. When they sleep, you sleep. So we're under a tornado warning right now. I don't really see any tornado things happening. It's actually really perfect.
Really closer up that way, not too far from Green Valley. They're keeping an eye on there just off to the south of I-70 now. So if we're talking about the winds, I mean, that's not hurricane force, so even if it's not a tornado, it's still going to be torrential rainfall and the gusty winds and the forward movement of these storms. So they're going to continue to press off to the east. The heaviest of the rainfall now from the west front. If we can reestablish it,
oh, you're so ticklish. Oh, you got baby tickles.
Still in the thick of things as well. The heaviest of the rainfall will be the leading edge from about Blue Springs to Green Valley, eventually heading for Basin as well as the heaviest of the rainfall. Tornado warning still to the south and west between Lake Lackawanna and also.
You're so sweet, Mallein. I love you so much.
His way. Stacey, what's going on?
So, as you guys can hear the news in the background, we're under a tornado watch currently. I mean, it says, I don't know, it gets so confusing in this area, but, Johnson County. Okay, so we're underneath the tornado warning until 8:30, but I don't see anything going on, and I don't hear any of the sirens going off, so I think we're okay. Hi! Most of it is honestly north of us. Like upper Kansas City. So, but it was a lot of lightning. There was lightning that struck something, like a tree or something outside, and it kind of scared me, and then Mallein started crying, and I'm like, oh geez, so it scared Mallein. It scared the babies. The little babies. And, yeah, so this is my Monday evening. And there's a dog who's on the couch. He's kind of freaking out a little bit. I was sitting on the couch before I put her on the floor because she started getting fussy. And, we were just snuggling on the couch, so. Whew, my goodness. So anyhow, this storm is mainly moving, like, towards where my sister and my dad lives right now, but, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. That's a funnel cloud.
I think that this is a large wall cloud, at the very least, a rotating funnel, worst case scenario.
Yeah, that's a rotating funnel right there. Anyhow. I gotta call my family. Alright, everyone. It's recording. Good. Okay, so I am trying to catch up on the vlogs and everything. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs so far. We did not vlog on Wednesday, so that's why there's a little bit of a miss in between of last week. I don't know why we didn't vlog. Honestly, I don't remember last Wednesday. It's actually kind of really hard to like do the vlogs and stuff when I don't really remember most of the days, and I had so many clips that were left over that I didn't delete from previous vlogs, and I had to go through them, and that took me almost like 30 minutes in itself. But anywho, love your faces, peace out, deuces, and we will definitely see you in the next video, which is Monday, which is yesterday, because right now it's 1:30 in the morning. So, but I am catching up on it. I'm trying to make it a goal to be more, have more aspiration in my daily life than I have been. I want to commit to something and do it, and that includes vlogging and working out and stuff when Mallein goes down for night time for the night. So that's the goal. But anyhow, nonetheless, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I know they've been kind of short. That's another thing that I'm trying to make the vlogs not be as short. So, but we'll see you guys later. I'm going to sing for this end of the clip because I don't know what else to do.